We use a soldering iron to solder it open. After soldering open, then lift the line up. The positive terminal of the battery is this piece of nickel. It is soldered together with the row of wires. Also use the soldering iron to solder it open. Okay, so that the positive and the negative terminals of the battery are disconnected from the motherboard row of wires. The next step is to remove the battery from the headset case. So we have to heat the headset first. In the heating process, it is best to rotate the headset while make the heat more evenly distributed. After heating up, take out special tweezers. In fact, it is an ordinary tweezers. Bend its two tips inward into two small hooks. These two hooks can just hook on the battery positive hole. Then clamp the tweezers with the appropriate force to pull out the battery. If you still cannot pull out, do not use brute force to continue to pull. Do not ask me why, I can only tell you. My last pair of headphones is so ruined, so when you can't take them off, put a few drops of alcohol into it, and then continue to pull. This way the battery is removed very smoothly. The right ear has been removed, then the left ear, the same way. Heat the bottom, remove the cover, solder the positive and the negative terminals of the battery. Heat again. Pull out the battery. Well, the two old batteries have been removed, then start to solder the new battery. First, the two batteries with tweezers flatten the positive terminal. Then bend the positive terminal locks by 90 degrees. Soldering iron to the battery locks on a little tin. Then plug the battery into the headset case. Use a plastic pry bar to push the battery to the bottom.